Okay, so you want to run wire from the front plug to power your 110 volt hour meter. However, on the Honda EU 2200, you're going to kind of run into the problem that there's really no holes that lead from the front to the back. They did a pretty good job of sealing everything up. So what you're going to have to do is make your own. And how you do that is, you see this cable right here. There's this housing up above it, and on this back plastic wall between, and you gotta be careful because the fuel tank's right above the pull string here. There's a narrow window in there that you can't really see on camera, but it's a shiny black plastic wall. And on that plastic wall, there's gonna be a circle of plastic that looks something like that. Keep in mind this is all black, so it's kind of hard to see. You gotta get the right angle with the flashlight. Now what I did is I got my ice pick here and I heated it up, got it nice and hot, and I poked that center, put a nice little dimple in it, heated it up again, pushed in there again, pushed all the way through, and doing that I was able to make a hole. You can see a little bit. Let me get my light here. So I made a hole so I can feed my wires. So when my generator is running, I now have an analog hour meter on my new generator here. And once you run your wires through there, or before you run your wires through there, you might want to wrap some electrical tape around that so those wires don't chafe on that hole from the vibration and inevitably get cut or run into any problems like that. So hope this video helps somebody. Best of luck to you.